My old pressure washer survived 3 years until one mistake completely killed it. And that's exactly why I upgraded to this branded cordless pressure washer. But honestly, I didn't expect this level of power. So my old unbranded pressure washer was actually working perfectly fine for almost 3 years. Then one day, my kid accidentally ran it dry for a few minutes. That overheated the internals, damaged the bearing, and the motor finally gave up. And that made me realize something. If I'm buying another pressure washer, I want something more reliable. So, after researching a lot on Amazon, I finally picked this, the DYLECT AirWash Go cordless pressure washer. And today we are unboxing it, testing it, and finding out if this is actually worth buying. Starting with the box itself, this already feels way more premium than the generic washers. You get proper branding, 1-year warranty, and the claimed specs actually look promising. 20 bar pressure, 3.5 liters per minute flow rate, 4-hour charging, and splash resistance. The best part, even though the box says around 5,999 rupees for this one, I got this online for just around 3,500, which honestly feels like a pretty solid deal. Now let's open it. Inside the box you get the washer gun, battery, charger, foam bottle, hose pipe, strainer, quick coupler, adjustable nozzle, and an instruction manual. And one thing I noticed immediately, nothing feels cheap. Even the charger has branding. That already gives better confidence compared to the random unbranded options online. There's also a QR code for warranty activation. I scanned it, it redirected me to WhatsApp, filled in the details, and within 3 days the warranty got activated successfully. Honestly, that's a nice touch. Now, this nozzle design is actually interesting. Normally on portable pressure washers, you keep changing tips. But here, you simply rotate the nozzle and instantly switch from wide spray to focused jet. That's honestly super convenient. And inside, you can see the stainless steel spray control system. Feels much smarter than interchangeable tips. The washer itself also feels good in hand. Nice grip, good weight balance, and I actually like this light grey and green color combination. There's also a trigger lock here, which sounds small, but trust me, it becomes useful later. Now here's one important thing I learned from my previous washer. Long hose pipes are not always better, because longer hose means more dry running before water reaches the motor, and dry running is exactly what damages these washers. So instead of using the full hose length, I actually shortened it. Since I usually carry the bucket with me while washing. That way, water reaches faster, less stress on the motor, and hopefully better long-term life. Small tip, but very important. Alright, listen carefully because this part is very important. You need to push this coupler in really hard until you hear a solid click. If you don't lock it properly, the seal won't happen. Air keeps entering the line and then suddenly you'll think the washer is broken because no water comes out. I actually made this mistake the first time, so trust me, keep pushing until you hear that satisfying click sound. That click changes everything. Everything connected, battery installed, moment of truth. Now remember, cordless washers usually take around 10 to 15 seconds initially to pull water through the system. So don't panic immediately. And then, boom! The first thing I noticed, the sound. It sounds refined, way smoother than my old washer. And then the pressure kicked in. Honestly, this thing surprised me. The 0 degree spray has serious force. And when you rotate the nozzle for wider angle spray, it spreads very smoothly. No tip changing, no hassle. That part genuinely impressed me. Alright, now it's time to clean this BMW. And no, this is not one of those tiny toy cars. This thing is actually big. It's a full battery operated ride on BMW that my 5-year-old son can actually sit inside and drive. and honestly, after all the dust and outdoor use, it had become pretty dirty. So before the wash, I captured some slow motion shots because this thing genuinely looks cool. The big wheels, the dust sitting all over the body. Perfect test subject for this pressure washer. And now let's see if this cordless washer can actually make this BMW look clean again. Now let's test the foam cannon. I'm using the Shinex Pro Bubble solution. Little bit of shampoo, fill the rest with water, attach it, and wow, the foam quality is actually thick, way thicker than I expected from a cordless portable washer. Within seconds, the entire toy BMW was covered. And this is where the trigger lock actually saved us. I accidentally pressed the trigger once and sprayed water directly at my son holding the camera. So yes, use the lock. Now for the actual cleaning test. Switching back to the standard nozzle, using the focus jet for tires, then widening the spray angle for larger surfaces. And honestly, this cleaned surprisingly well, especially for a portable battery operated unit. The pressure feels strong, the overall build feels premium, and compared to my old washer, this definitely feels like an upgrade. But there's one thing you should know before buying. This is not a heavy duty commercial washer. If you expect industrial level pressure, this isn't for you. But for car washing, bike cleaning, balcony cleaning, garden use, windows, dustbins, home cleaning, this honestly makes a lot of sense. So final verdict, if you want a reliable branded cordless washer around this budget, the DYLECT AirWash Go is honestly one of the better options available right now. The biggest strengths are adjustable nozzle, good pressure, thick foam output, better build quality, warranty support, smooth motor sound. So who should buy this? Car owners, bike owners, apartment users, and people wanting portable cleaning. And who should skip? Heavy duty professional users and anyone expecting industrial pressure washer performance. Overall, I'm genuinely impressed, and if you want, next I can compare this against a regular wired pressure washer to see which one actually makes more sense. So subscribe for that, and the product link will be in the description.